Introducing Neon Swim, the revolutionary app designed for swim coaches who demand more. And Neon Pace Clock, the pace clock that syncs to your workout. One of the most unique and revolutionary features of Neon Swim and Neon Pace Clock is the ability to simultaneously program and control multiple clocks at the same time. This is ideal for when you have swimmers doing different workouts or intervals within a practice. Let's take a look at this powerful yet easy to use feature. At the home page of Neon Swim, we see that it has detected two nearby pace clocks. Let's go ahead and program a set to them following the steps from the last video. We'll go to Workouts, select a workout, tap the pace clock button, and upload just the main set. Here we see both pace clocks. We'll tap each one to connect and upload the A intervals to one and B intervals to the other. Next, we'll go to the Pace Clock tab. On the bottom toolbar, we can see controls to manage all pace clocks at the same time. We'll tap the play button to begin counting. Just like before, we can tap a specific clock to independently control its functionality. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in getting started with programming multiple Neon Pace clocks using Neon Swim. Check out our other videos where we explore more advanced features and tips to maximize your coaching efficiency. Happy coaching!